Hello everyone, welcome to another session of chart analysis. This time we have got the share chart of Richmond. So we're going to look for familiar patterns that we can consider as tradable. So here we can make a case for an ascending triangle. So let's see if we can put a line at this point there. I see there's a lot of resistance around this point. Then we can also draw a line coming from the bottom side. So we can see here that we have got a formation that is leading into an ascending triangle whereby we have got a resistance point which we can even move around here. So the resistance is a straight line, but the support line is ascending towards the top, squeezing the price toward the break to the upside. So here again we can measure the distance from between these points, and we're targeting a profitability of about 4.69%. So if we move this triangle to this breaking point, we can see that the price reached close to that point, then it came down, then the following day it posted a huge bullish candle which led to exceeding that target. So you can see that this was 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So 4 days after the price broke out, the share went on to rally to a maximum of about 8%. So that's 8% which someone makes in a whole year. You have made it within 5 days. Well done. This will be a good trading strategy. So let's see if we can find another formation that we can look at. Here's a nice double bottom that formed within a period of about a month. So as you can see here, it formed an inverted hammer, then price rallied upside to the upside. It came down again, made a hammer, another hammer, then price rallied to the upside. So again, that's another formation that you can be able to trade profitably looking at your charts. So let's see. Here we can find a bearish flag that formed, which broke and led to price coming down nicely. So let's see if we can be able to find another formation that is familiar. Let's see. There could be a case for another ascending triangle here when you look at it, and another one here as well. You can see there's another case for an ascending triangle. Let's see if there is I'm trying to see. Here we can make a case for a falling wedge as well. Let's see. Okay, here we can make a case for an inverted head and shoulder. So we have here a point where we form a shoulder, then price goes down, we form the head, then price goes up again, we form another shoulder at that point, then price comes down, it finds support almost at that level on the other shoulder, then it goes up again. Let's see, just want to draw another line here, then it moves upwards to this point. So you can see here we have got a nice inverted head and shoulder. Then we can draw our neckline here. So we expect that once price moves above this point, it's going to rally upwards. And we can see that we just need to measure the distance from here to there. So that is another 8%. So let's see how the share performed from this point going upwards. So here we can see that the price almost reached the target within a day. Wow, that would have been a wonderful trade to get into. One day you have made almost about 8%. But then we can see that as price reached almost to that level, you might be tempted to come out, but you can see here that price sort of formed. There you've got a falling wedge which is bullish, so you can watch it and then say you have taken maybe 60% of your profit, you're watching again what's happening. Then here you can see that it has broken the wedge. Then again you set your target, that price is going to move upwards. Then you can see that from the 21st of November up to the 8th of December, you would have made quite a good margin of profit from this point going upwards. And it reached a top point at this level here. So you'd have possibly made another 8% at this point. Then from here, you would have made another almost 11%, which is a good trade leading into the December season. Then price rallied downwards. So as you can see, these formations happen on a chart, but you need to be constantly analyzing and looking so that you can be able to profit from them. So that's it for now. Until the next lesson. Bye.